Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kishween. I hope you're all doing well. ओह ये सब कहाँ से आ रहा है? And today is a haul video. Yeah! This is my first ever haul video and it is just not a Nykaa haul but many other brands or website as well. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So first we'll talk about what all I ordered from Nykaa. There's a bunch of stuff that I got. First one is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Oops, sorry, this way. Yeah, and this time it came with a pump, as you can see. Earlier Fit Me didn't have a pump, so the quantity is 30 ml, and due to this pump they have increased their rates. Earlier it used to be 500 without the pump. Even if somewhere if there's a bottle available like without the pump, you will still get it for 500, but this one retails for 549 and I got it for 4 something, I guess. Let me check. I got this one for 439 after discount. I guess it was a 20% off on Nykaa going on Maybelline products. This is my go-to foundation, all-time favorite if you're looking for like, you know, sheer to medium coverage foundation, or if you're a beginner, you must buy this. It is affordable as well as fantastic. The quantity is 30 ml, lasts you really long. So next we have these two lipsticks from Nykaa. They are from their So Matte range. The first one is 01M Notorious Red and the second one is 04M Racy Rose. I haven't actually used them on my lips, so whenever I'll be wearing them on my lips, I'll let you know. Till then, you can see these swatches. So these are the swatches. This one is Racy Rose and this one is Notorious Red. This one is fine, this one is pink, but I expected this to be more of red, but it looks somewhat, you know, maroon to me. Maroon, or you know, but yeah, this looks kind of maroonish to me. I expected it to be, you know, more of a red, a bright red, but this is what I got. And these two lipsticks, I got these for $2.99 each. I'm really not sure about their original price right now. I will just put the original price and discounted price here. So the third thing that I have is this tea tree oil from the Beauty Co. It is the tea tree essential oil. The quantity is 15 ml and it comes with this dropper and this oil. I have already shown you this in my video where I talk about essential oils and their importance for our skin. You can check that video out here. So this one retails for $3.50 and there was no discount on this, but this is an essential for me, so I got it anyway. So the fourth thing that I got is this egg pore nose pack from Tony Moly. It's a single use strip and it retails for 50 rupees. I got it for 45 rupees. I really wanted to try this out and see if this one works or not. I have already reviewed Hip Hop nose cleansing charcoal strips. You can check that video out here. So the next thing I got from Nykaa is sheet masks, so many of them. So I got these Tony Moly sheet masks. There was a 3-on-3 going on these sheet masks, so I got them. I will also review these soon. Each sheet mask is for 100 rupees and 3-on-3 was going, so I got them for 50 rupees each. And then I got some Face Shop masks as well. There was a 3-on-3 as well going. Each mask is for 100 rupees and that costed me 50 per mask. I will soon do Innisfree versus Face Shop, so stay tuned for that. And the last thing that I got from Nykaa is the nail enamel. It is in the shade Kiwi Cooler and I'm in just love with the pastels, and Nykaa has some really good pastel range. And also there was an off going on these, so I got one of this. I already have a pink pastel, a blue pastel, and I got this green now. I think it retails for $1.99 if I'm not wrong, but I'm really not sure about the price, so I'll just put the MRP here. And I got this for $1.29, so it was a great deal. So now I got something from Mamaearth as well. Yes, I am obsessed with Mamaearth, I know. And this is the Mamaearth coffee face mask. It is with coffee and cocoa for skin awakening. This is how the tub looks like. And the smell is great. It smells like coffee and looks like a chocolate cake batter. I mean, look at this. It absolutely looks like the batter only. And the smell is coffee. It is so great. I haven't used this. I'll soon start using this, and obviously the review will be up for you guys, so stay tuned. There are a lot of reviews coming up, many of which will be from this haul only. And I got just this one only from Mamaearth. It retails for $4.99, but I got it for $2.90. That is because there was a 1+1 going on Mamaearth. So I ordered two things, one for me and one for my friend. And so whatever the division was, it costed me $2.90 after all the discount. So I got a few things from WOW as well. So I have their activated charcoal and keratin shampoo. I have their coconut milk shampoo and their hair conditioner with organic virgin coconut oil and avocado oil. So there was a buy 3 and pay for 2 going on WOW. So I actually paid for these two only, and I got this one free. So these two are 200 ml and they both retail for $2.99 each, and I paid 50 rupees for shipping. So I got all of these three at $6.50. I mean, 2 shampoos and a conditioner at $6.50 is a great deal. And another thing that I got from बस मंगा लिया मैंने, हो गया बहुत ज़्यादा मंगा लिया मैंने. And while ordering anything online, makeup, skincare, hair care, anything, I always look at multiple sites, and especially while ordering, Mamaearth, WOW and things like these, I always look up on their sites. I get all of my Mamaearth products from Mamaearth site, and I got my WOW shampoos from their site as well. I always prefer to check on other sites as well, and I suggest you to do the same. It can be time consuming sometimes, but it definitely saves your money. In all, I got a great discount. I saved a lot of money. That's what I'm happy about. So I suggest you to do the same. Search a few sites and you will definitely get some great deals. Also, on Mamaearth side, you always get a 20% off. Always. The code is MAMA20. I will also write the code in the description box below. So, always prefer to buy Mamaearth products from their site only, and I also suggest you to buy WOW products from their site only. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, because I really enjoyed my first haul. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe button को click कर दो please. Button यहाँ है. You can follow me on my Instagram, that is @kashween.kaur. The link will be in the description box below as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.